everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. One of my favorite fish recipe, chili fish. We always eat chili chicken. Try chili fish and you're going to love it. And this is one of the best chili fish recipe for seafood lovers. How to make it delicious and tasty? I will show you how to make it. And let's get started. To make it tasty and delicious chili fish recipe, I will be using catfish, 3-pound catfish. To use half of it, so it will be 1.5 pound catfish. Other ingredients will be salt, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, Kashmiri mirt, half teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 2 teaspoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 eggs. After marinating the fish, we're going to do the coating with all-purpose flour. Then we're going to deep fry in a fryer. These are the vegetables. Green capsicum. I have red color, orange color. You can use any color. If you want to use only the green, then use the green bell pepper. Mushroom, onions, green chili, ginger and garlic. 1 teaspoon each, half diced onion. For tadka, we're going to use olive oil. So let's start marinating the catfish. Get a mixing bowl. First we're going to break open the eggs. Add spices, salt, black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, Kashmiri mirt. Now we're going to mix them well. Once egg is nicely beaten, all the spices are nicely mixed, add cornstarch and mix it well. Once it's nicely beaten, there is no lumps. This is going to be our marination. Add fish. As you can see, I cut the fish pieces into like a 1 inch. So now mix it well. Once all the fish pieces are nicely coated, cover it and set it aside for 10 minutes. Catfish is marinated for 10 minutes. Now we're going to open it, and also prior to adding into all-purpose flour, we're going to mix it one more time. On this side, fryer oil is heated up. It's a 375 degree Fahrenheit. So now we're going to bring the pieces inside the all-purpose flour. Just mix it just like this. So we're going to have a nice coating of all-purpose flour. You can do a couple things. You can put it in an all-purpose flour. You can do it like this, shake it, put it inside the bag. But this is the most easiest and the most economical method. So once it's done, now grab it. Now shake it, the extra flour, and just place it inside the fryer. If you have a big fryer, you can do it all the fish pieces at the same time. But like I have a small fryer, so we're going to do like a three times probably. So now we're going to work on the second batch of the same process. Place it and mix it. And if we look at on this side, we'll pull it, look at this, the popcorn fish. Also, if you notice that when it starts to float, first it goes down, then it starts to float, it's getting cooked. Also, you see there's a lot of bubbling. When the bubbling subsides, then our fish pieces are nicely cooked. So also good idea is that you can pull this one out halfway, let the oil bring up back to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So take it out like 30 seconds and then put it back again in. And this way it will become more crispier and more crunchier. So if you look at now, they're looking really nice, and if you can hear, it's nice and crunchy. You can hear it. I'm going to make sure that they are really crispy. Once they turn golden brown, then we're going to pull these out. Look at these. Now there is very less bubble and it's fully cooked. And if you want to make it more golden brown, then you can keep it one more minute, but this is perfect. This is very crispy. I have a plate with a paper towel on it. I'll take it out. And now we're going to start the second batch. And if we look at paper towel on the plate, so any extra oil, it will soak up. Look at the beautiful fish. So now we're going to work on the second batch the same way. So just be careful when you put it in, don't burn yourself. Don't throw it like that. When you're putting, go next to the oil, then drop it. We have our second batch, we're going to work on the last one. In the same way, we're going to do it, keep repeating the same way. The first time as I show it to you. Let it cook like 2 minutes, as I shown you in the first one. Then you just pull it out like this. And first thing you can check if they are sticking together, then you can move around, but this looks good. And also a good indication they start to float. So let them cook like 2 minutes, then pull it out, leave it outside like a half minute, then put it back. So I'm going to keep continuing doing the same way. As you see, the third batch is also ready. As you see, the second batch is also ready. Very crunchy. You can hear it. Shake the extra oil and we'll take it out. And now we're going to work on the final. That's the third batch. So we're going to do the same way as I shown to you. As you see, the fish pieces are nicely fried. There's one more batch to go. Once I'm done with this one, then we'll go on the gas. We're going to prepare our tadka and we're going to make a delicious chili fish. So we're going to finish up doing this one. We're going to start the gas. Get a karahi, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. The time we're going to be done frying fish, we're going to make sure that we have all the vegetables are nicely cooked, and then we're going to mix the fried fish. As the oil starts to heat up, add garlic and ginger. Mix it. Normally when I do the tadka, we cook ginger garlic for 10 to 20 seconds once the raw garlicky flavor is gone. But this time we're going to cook it raw. Once ginger garlic is nicely cooked, I'll bring all the vegetables, diced onions, cube size onions, everything. Now we're going to mix it well. Keep it moving, keep mixing and keep cooking. In this one I'm not going to add any salt since we're going to have soy sauce, hoisin sauce and oyster sauce. All the vegetables are nicely cooked. Now add soy sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add hoisin sauce. Mix it again, and now we're going to add oyster sauce. This was the reason I don't want to add any salt inside. Now add lemon juice. Mix it well. This is hot sriracha chili sauce. 2 teaspoons hot sriracha chili sauce. And mix it well. We'll add fish. Now we're going to mix it well. We always eat chili chicken. Try chili fish. If you're a seafood lover, this is one of the best. It's all ready. As you can see, it's nicely coated. Perfect. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving pot ready and look at the delicious chili fish. As I have mentioned, for the seafood lover, this is one of the best main course dish. This is so delicious and super tasty. You've seen it. It's so easy to make. Super delicious. Chili fish. We always eat chili chicken. Try chili fish and you're going to love it. And this is one of the best chili fish recipe for seafood lovers. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.